My name is Luke Farmer. I'm currently one of our senior engineering managers, and I've been with the company full-time around 10 years now. So I came to AESSEAL as a year in industry placement student between my second and third years of university. I then came back to AESSEAL for a short period the following year, and then once again, after completing my degree, I liked it so much I came back full-time. I started in the technical applications team, then moved into our OEM commercial function as an engineer for that part of the business, and then that evolved into me moving into our first fit projects team, which I became a project manager for a short amount of time, and then moved back into the department which I started in as manager of the technical team. I would say the best thing about working for AESSEAL is simply the non-stop learning that at least I've seen through all of my time. Work is challenging but rewarding, and it's constant growth, and that's really how I see it on a daily basis, and still do after 10 years with the business. The working environment for me is very much based in and around my team. We could be at the desk, we could be working with our production team or our build team, or even our sales engineers out in the world, hand in hand with the customer. So it varies on a day-to-day basis. I chose engineering as a career purely because I loved understanding how things worked and how I could possibly work on something similar to what I've seen elsewhere in the world, and fundamentally just wanted to put things together and solve problems, which is what we do as engineers. Luckily, I found a place right here in AESSEAL that helps me just apply that every single day, and has taught me a lot in how to do that as I've grown through my career so far. So the training that I've received from AESSEAL has been constant, continuous professional development, really. On-the-job training, working with my colleagues and my mentors from when I started joining with the business. Fundamental understanding of the product in and out at a technical and at an applications level. Moving through to more organizational and business administration training, leadership and management training, understanding the finance and where as a team and an individual affect the company at an operational level, and all sorts in and out of between all of those bits to help me understand just where I fit within the company, where my team fits within the company, and how we actually operate as a business so we can communicate with all our colleagues around the world. Careers develop completely different depending on the individual at AESSEAL, but ultimately the great thing about AESSEAL is they develop how you want them to develop. AESSEAL is a pretty rare business that offers any opportunity that someone wants to do within their day job and their aspirations within a career. I myself have progressed through multiple departments, multiple roles, as starting out purely as an engineer, to be more of an engineering manager, to be more of a product manager, a project manager. I know colleagues from within the engineering function and in other functions across the business that their careers have developed in many, many different ways, probably more so than they didn't expect in the first place. There's opportunities for development in every single facet of the business. So why would someone join AESSEAL? Purely for the challenge and the reward that comes with it in many different areas, from being engineers, test technicians, fitters, assemblers, site service personnel, our sales engineers, right through our business administration functions. But crucially, all of those different things all tie together for one common goal of serving and providing customer service and reliability for our customers around the world.